up? It's your girl Lala, also known as Resilient Curls here on YouTube, and for today's video I'm bringing you another beautiful, flawless faux locks tutorial. Now I know there's a lot of tutorials floating around on YouTube, but as you know, this is one of my favorite hairstyles, and we are in winter right now where I live in New York. It is cold, so my hair needs to be wrapped away, and that's why I thought about faux locks. Now in my previous videos you will see, I will link them above or below down for you, just so that you can recap on what I've done before as far as like installation. Each time that I put in faux locks, I try to do it a different way, because as the years goes by, someone is coming up with some genius idea on how to install crochets. This tutorial, I will show you how I install FREETRESS braids 3 times Nikki lock in the color 1, and it's actually in length 14. It's the perfect length for me because for work I do have to tie up my hair. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I install these crochet locks, hit that subscribe button down below, and right next to that button click on that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And please leave me a comment down below if you're indulging in protective styling. What type of protective style are you doing right now? Comment that down below. Or what do you plan on doing? Let me know. Alright, so without further ado, please continue to watch this video, and if at any point you like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that like button. Okay, let go. What the base of my hairstyle looks like, I did, I don't know how many, but a lot of mini individual box braids. Some of them have twists at the bottom just because a twist is a bit better, but box braids, or at least braid at the top, makes it more flat, which is what I was going for. Now initially I wasn't really trying to go this small, but I guess that's the way my hands and my brain decided to work last night. I will not lie, this process took super long. So I do believe that this project or this hairstyle is a 2-step hairstyle, so brace yourself when you're trying to do this on your own, because you won't be able to do it in one day. If you are able to do it, please come back and let me know your technique. And I gave myself like a side part here as well as a middle part and another side part. So for the base of this, I shampooed my hair, conditioned, and detangled my hair very thoroughly before doing this hairstyle, because I know I want to keep this hairstyle in for at least 3 to 4 weeks. We'll see how that goes. So for doing these mini box braids, I went in with the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold, these butterfly clips just to section off my hair, a rat tail comb, and for my edges, a toothbrush. And of course, for the hairstyle, I'm gonna use crochet needles. So the hair that I'm using today for this install is by FREETRESS. It's called FREETRESS Braid 3 times Nikki locks in 14 inches. And I have 4 packs of these in the color 1. Now at my local beauty supply store, I purchased each pack for $8.99. So you do the math. So I have 5 packs of these. And yeah, I won't be able to hold everything in this. So 5 packs. This is what the hair looks like right out of the package. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. So it does have the little loop in the center. Be more than one thing. I need more than less than. All products will be listed down below in my description box, so please don't forget to check it out, and I'll provide a direct link if I can find the hair online for your convenience. And the good thing about this style is if you don't want to go into the faux locks right away, you can definitely wear these twists, these braids for a few days and then transition into your style. I'm gonna go and install some of these, and once I get the hang of it, I'll come right back to show you how to install them.
Sweet talk. so nice, I can't help got this sweet talk.
So this is just one pack. This is how much I got done.
Too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers.
This is what my hair looks like. I did go into my hair stash and I found about 3 strands of Faux Locs, the Bobbi Boss New Locs line, which I've used in a previous install. I'll link that video down below if you're interested, or up in the card so you can take a look. But I decided that I want some color. Like, if you know me, you know that I need some type of highlight in my hair at all times. So that's what I did. So I will link the color down below, as well as the hair if you're interested. You can check that out. I had to mention that I noticed the difference between the Bobbi Boss New Locs and the Nikki Locs, especially when it comes to installing. So I feel like the Nikki Locs, which is the black, is much more easier to unravel when you want to wrap your natural hair around it, whereas the Bobbi Boss New Locs was much more like tightly coiled, so it's more difficult to unravel to actually wrap around your braiding hair. So I just want to mention that. Other than that, the 2 brands of hair are very similar. Like, if you take a look at these 2 strands here that I have, I've wrapped them and they almost look like they're identical as far as like the texture. You couldn't even tell that it's a different brand of hair. So maybe, I don't know which one is cheaper, but I'll check below and I'll let you know down in the description box. But if you would like to try it and you don't see the Bobbi New Locs, which is what happened to me, then the Nikki Locs is definitely an alternative, and I think I like it so far. I have approximately 12 more locks to do, and I just want to show you a quick trick that I use to make it a little bit faster. So what I've been doing is opening up the loop right here, and for each braid that I have, I go through the base of my braid with the crochet hook closed. So I go through the base, and then with the crochet hook open, I open up the faux loc at the loop and I hook it to the crochet hook. Then I close the crochet hook and I pull the hair through the base of my braid. With the hook open, I'm going to grab the crochet faux loc and my braid together and pull it through the open loop. And then from there, I release it and I pull both the crochet hair and my hair together and through to make a little knot at the top. So again, I do the same thing.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers there. I'm already on my way.
I will say that if you want less hair, then make bigger parts, and that was something I should have thought about because this is kind of full right now. It's cute.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
look of this hairstyle. Let me just tell you, I love it. This is me. This is how I feel comfortable when my hair is done. I feel beautiful. I started installing these locks at 3:45 p.m. and I finished at 11:30. So that's about 8 or 9 hours just to install these individual crochet locks. Last night I did the individual braids. That took about 6 hours. Best believe this hairstyle is staying in for 1 month. I don't care if my hair is itching. I don't care if it looks crusty. I'm gonna keep these in as long as possible. I'm in love with this style. Originally, I told you that I purchased 5 packs of the Nikki locks in 14 inches, color 1. So in order to do all of my hair, I only used 2 packs. The full 2 packs is all that it took to complete my hair. So there's 3 different bundles in a pack. So each bundle has about 12 locks in there. So that'll tell you how many braids I have in my hair right now. I have a total of 72 braids in my hair, just in case you guys were wondering. I did not intend to make them this small, but by making them this small, it's actually fuller, so I actually really do like it. And if you want to make it less full, then you have to make your box braids or your parts bigger. But I love how it turned out. I'm just gonna give you a whole, I don't know why this one is like really curly, but whatever. The way that I parted my hair is special to me because I love a side part. Occasionally I love a middle part, so I want to give it versatility. So this is the deep side part, which I have styled here. And then I can also put my hair in a mid off to the side part. This is the middle part. And then the other side has a side part as well. And also I tried out a new product for my edges. I didn't show it originally, but this is a new product by Petrie, one of the YouTubers here that I watch. I'll link her channel down below. She just came out with her new business, and this is called the Braid Glaze. And it smells really good. So I'm gonna see how long it holds my edges down for, because I just literally applied it, but you can see like it's really nice and sleek. So I love that. And I am 5'3", so I'll stand up so you can see where it hits me. It's about bra strap length, so that's perfect for me. So I told you what I love about this hair. So far the texture is really nice to me. It doesn't snag or anything. It's very lightweight. So in total I have about 72 locks in my hair, and I don't really feel anything. The only thing I could say I feel is like where I applied pressure to connect my hair with the crochet. That's where I feel a little pressure, but it's not painful at all. And overall, I like this style. I'm feeling myself right now. And let me know down below if you're interested in seeing what styles I can come up with while I have this hair installed. Comment that down below and I'll bring that video out to you guys as soon as I can. I really like this hairstyle, and thumbs up if you like it. And also, you know, if you follow this tutorial, if it was helpful, if you learned something new, let me know so that I know that you guys are learning something from me, because with each video I want to bring something new, hopefully. Please subscribe down below if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really truly appreciate your support throughout all the years. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace. Bye.